Hey everybody, this is Calvin Waite. I trade crypto for a living. I'm not a registered or licensed financial advisor, planner, or broker, so nothing on this channel should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell. I also trade all of these things, so I probably have a vested interest in there. But there's plenty of entertainment value and lots of education, so this will be awesome. For those of you who didn't know, my subscription channel is live. So look at the link in the description over at cryptoinfluencers.com and you can see how I make all of my trades and what I do and what I think about everything. This channel is for more hypothetical and looking at trends, and the other one is for actual trading, so you might be interested in that. Good morning, everybody. Looks like we've got another fairly flat day for Bitcoin. So I was just kind of hopping right in here. Hope everyone's doing good. Last night I was telling everyone that the bottom of this candle here, which is sitting at 19,550, this will potentially be a trouble spot for Bitcoin, just because we have dropped below our support, and it might take some work to get above it. If we do, it would change the outlook pretty good. But we're not quite out of the woods yet on Bitcoin, so I'm being patient there. You can start feeling the excitement on Ethereum though. I've been watching closely to see if we can get a close above the 50. If so, I'm thinking that it really could allow the people that are excited about the merge to really pile in, and Ethereum could start moving. So even though I'm pretty bearish on Bitcoin, there's just a lot of excitement building up around Ethereum, and once we get the technicals that we need in place, Ethereum could really get started, and there's a lot of upside there. So looking forward to that. I'm still, as I said, I'm in a short position because of this head and shoulders. It got invalidated, but I'm waiting to see if we get rejected off of the 50 or if we keep going. Once we have confirmation, I'm going to go ahead and flip sides, and I'll update my lovely trading tracker. So everything that I close, I will show you guys. So it will be a negative number, but I figure I'll just be transparent and let you guys know how things are going. As far as Ethereum doing well, it is pulling up the rest of the alts. There are a lot of altcoins that are tied to Ethereum's performance, not necessarily Bitcoin. And so if Ethereum shows strength, even with Bitcoin dropping off, there will still be alts that do well. And so there are a couple of alts that are really worth talking about today. One is Bitcoin Cash. So if I zoom out, you can see how far we've fallen. I mean, this thing it's been a pretty rough couple of years for Bitcoin Cash, but we're making another attempt. We're really close to entering the white zone again, which is bullish. So we'll see if we can get above there. So that's one to be looking at. A couple of others. Let's see. It was. Let's see. Oh, Near. Yeah, Near is showing really nice chart structure. Solid bottom, bit of a move up, a consolidation at a higher level, and if we close above the 50, this one's going to look nice too. I think Link was getting close too. Yeah, so Link is doing just about the same thing. Chain Link here. So there are a couple of them that are just really looking nice. There's we've had such kind of a universal kind of red zone for quite a long time, and now that things are breaking up, if Bitcoin and Ethereum can give us a break, a lot of these are ready to go, and you can feel the tension from that. Litecoin is another that's really getting close. It's been kind of playing with the 50, but most recently we've supported ourselves off of the 100. And so we're kind of playing in this middle range here, but it wouldn't take much to get it back up to better ranges. It is consolidating higher than we were down here, so that's another decent one to be looking at. Let's see here. Yeah, so QTUM is getting close as well. So there's just a lot of these that are looking good. So that's pretty much most of the alts. Oh yes, Atom. Atom, finally, we're starting to see price action above $13. And so this thing's getting ready to rock and roll. If we can get above the 100, or excuse me, above the 200, this is really pretty. I mean, I'm hoping that this will get into the green zone in the next couple of months or so. But yeah, breaking new highs would be really nice for Atom. Staying above the 50, our 100's curving up. There's just a lot of good pieces of structure here, and our first resistance is $21. So this is a pretty nice looking chart for here. ENS is doing well as well above the 50, and it's looking pretty strong. The last one to talk about is Luna, and it is just not stopping. Pretty wild. We are just watching this one to see if we can. At this point, I'm kind of looking for just a daily candle that would be just like a top candle. A little earlier today, we fell pretty quickly. In a matter of 15 minutes, we dropped from 57.5 down to 49.2. So it's amazing how quickly things can change. I'm not sure who's still buying Luna at these levels. I guess it's everyone that's putting their mortgages and children's college funds in and all that stuff. And so I guess retail still has a little money left. But we'll be patient and watch that one and see if anything changes there. But on the whole, we're looking pretty decent. I mean, Bitcoin's still a question mark. This one's just a really, to be playing in these bottom ranges, we would need another swing to get us out of this situation. And Ethereum, it will likely follow Bitcoin, but Ethereum has so much bullish news going for it that I kind of think that if we break out above the 50, it might be unstoppable in a certain sense. So I'm not going to be afraid to switch sides and go long on Ethereum if we can finally break out of this yellow zone that we're in. So anyway, pretty wild day. I know a lot can change in 8 hours by the time close happens. So we'll be watching closely and updating the Pro channel tonight. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. Make sure you keep those trades small. Don't force a trade. Don't get impatient. And if you want to see how all this works, please come over and check me out on the subscription channel at cryptoinfluencers.com. Again, the link is in the description.